Once the frame is complete, the focus shifts to the joints. Using chisels and hand tools, the joints are carefully crafted to fit perfectly, ensuring strength and durability. The next step involves using the bandsaw machine again to create intricate designs, like a wooden snake. This is where the artistry of woodworking truly shines, turning simple wooden pieces into works of art. The wooden blocks are cut into small cubes, which can be used for various purposes, such as decorative items or puzzle pieces. This process involves transforming raw wood into refined products that are both functional and visually appealing.